There appears to be an issue with the Microsoft Windows Book 3 laptops that we issued recently, where the laptop will lock up during a Zoom meeting. The symptoms could be anything from a blue screen of death to locking up, but yet the audio continues to work. The screen would be unresponsive and the keyboard unresponsive. We may have found a solution to that problem, and this is what I'd like you to try. We need to open up the Zoom client. So go down to Start, under Z, under Zoom, Zoom Client, and start a meeting. Okay, what you need to do then is go to the video icon at the bottom here and locate the little triangle in the upper right corner and click on it. Then go to Video Settings and we are looking for the Advanced button down here in the lower right. Now that you've clicked on that, these settings here need to be turned off. These are all the Enable Hardware Acceleration. Turn those off. They are staying. So go back, close this, and that should help.